Good day, this is the Professor, drwillphd, PhD, and today's Monday, May 15th, 2023. It is 6:05 and 2 seconds, a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and today's research, human vision. So let's come to it here. New research sheds light on how human vision perceives scale. Date May 9th, 2023. Source, Austin University. Researchers have discovered new insights into how the human brain makes perceptual judgments of the external world. The study explored the computational mechanisms used by the human brain to perceive the size of objects in the world around us. It is well known that to derive object size from retinal image size, our visual system needs to estimate the distance to the object. The retinal image contains many pictorial cues, such as linear perspective, which help the system derive the relative size of objects. However, to derive absolute size, the system needs to know about spatial scale, and by taking account of deep focus blur, like the blurry parts of an image outside the depth of focus of a camera, the visual system can achieve this. The math behind this has been well worked out by others, but the study asked the question, does human vision exploit this math? The research team presented participants with photographic pairs of full-scale railway scenes, subject to various artificial blur treatments and small-scale models of railway scenes, taken with a long exposure and small aperture to diminish deep focus blur. The task was to detect which photograph and which pair was a real full-scale scene. When the artificial blur was appropriately oriented for the ground plane, the horizontal plane representing the ground on which the viewer is standing in the full-scale scenes, participants were fooled and believed the small models to be the full-scale scenes. Remarkably, this did not require the application of realistic gradients of blur, simple uniform bands of blur at the top and bottom of the photographs achieved almost equivalent miniaturization effects. The results indicate that human vision can exploit defocus blur to infer perceptual scale, but that it does this crudely more a heuristic than a metrical analysis. Overall, the findings provide new insights into the computational mechanisms used by the human brain in perceptual judgments about the relation between ourselves and the external world. And these findings demonstrate that our perception of size is not perfect and can be influenced by other properties of a scene. And this might have relevance for understanding the computational principles underlying our perception of the world. For example, when judging the size and distance of hazards when driving. And this is a professor of microbiology, bioinformatics, pathophysiology, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.